Hey, I'm Paul with RackOutfitters.com, and this is a fit for a 2017 through 2019 and likely beyond Honda CRV with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule WingBar EVO rapid podium base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO load bars in silver, 47 inches in length, the 460R rapid podium foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets on the backside, which connect to those factory connection points. This is fit kit number 3166. The crossbars are in a pre-designated fixed location at 26 3/4 inches from front to rear, center to center. And the maximum carrying capacity for this rack system, evenly distributed, is 165 pounds. A full installation video is available on our YouTube channel, along with hundreds of other quick walk-around videos such as this one. This product can be found on our website. Just use the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions. And thanks for watching.